Hi guys, today I just wanted to show you a new puzzle that we've been working on. This one's for the gorgeous little Estelle, who is currently obsessed with Frozen. Just going to show you some of the detail here. So here's Elsa, and we've got her eyes and her mouth cut out. You can see all the individual pieces that were put together to make up this piece, all hand painted. And then we've got the letters. So these are 12 millimeter pieces, easy for those little fingers to pick up and place into the board. And here you can see the cutout for the letters. So for your child to play with the puzzles, these are going to help them learn colours. So you can see, at least with the Estelle one, there's two different shades of bluey green here. But it also helps to teach them letters of the alphabet and of course their names, and placing them into the puzzle. Okay, thanks for watching.